So we are on our way to this huge waterfall, which is going to be spectacular. But before we got there, we stopped at this one precipice overlook viewpoint, and you could barely see a tiny waterfall and a pool. And I decided, hey, I'll fly my drone here so we can get a better look at this very hidden waterfall. And I had 3 batteries, one of which was 3/4 full from a flight about a week ago. So I put that battery in and figure, okay, I can get there and back no problem. So sure enough, I'm going down and I get very close. And of course, as a drone pilot, you're worried about so many things. In this case, will my signal get interrupted because of the steep canyon walls? Is there some wind circulating in there that would cause problems? You're just thinking about everything. But all of a sudden, the battery registers 40%, 35%, 30%, and it's dropping very, very quickly, much quicker than normal. So I start to panic, start to pull back, of course, and I pull back, and the battery just keeps dropping. And before I even get up to the level height that I am at, it's down to 10%. Now, these drones are wonderful and they're computerized, and they try to correct all the stupid things that drone pilots do, including Marco. So it basically is telling me, hey, I gotta land, I'm running out of battery, I gotta land. So I'm thinking, oh my God, it's gonna land in the forest down there. This drone is gone. But I keep overriding. I turn my drone and see a road. Now, I'm not sure which road it is at this point, but I just make a beeline for this road. And sure enough, it is the road that leads right to very close to where I took off. And I land that drone with 3% in the battery. Oh my God, $1,000, folks. Almost down the drain again. The life of a drone pilot.